In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana AI quick tips to create a project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a structured project in just a few clicks using Asana's Create with AI feature. First, open your browser and go to Asana. Sign in to your workspace so you're on the home screen or any project view. From here, look for the plus icon, sometimes called the Quick Add button. It's typically at the top of the interface. This is your shortcut for creating new work, and it's the fastest way to start a project from anywhere in Asana. Click the plus icon, then choose New Project. This opens the project creation panel. Instead of starting from a blank template, we're going to let Asana do the heavy lifting. Select Create with AI. This option uses Asana's AI quick tips to translate your plain language idea into a draft project with tasks and structure. Now, type your prompt. Be clear and specific about what you're trying to accomplish. Include the goal, the phases you want, and any timing guidance. For example, create a 2-week product launch plan with sections for planning, content, approvals, and launch, with tasks that include research, asset creation, review rounds, and a final go-live checklist. You can also add details like group tasks by phase, include due dates relative to a start date, or flag dependencies where reviews must happen before publishing. Short, direct sentences work best. If your team has naming conventions, add them to the prompt so the AI mirrors your style. Send the prompt and give Asana a moment to generate. You'll see it working behind the scenes to draft sections, tasks, and suggested order. If it takes a few seconds, that's normal. If the first pass isn't quite right, you can refine your prompt afterward by clarifying scope, trimming phases, or asking for more or fewer tasks. When the draft is ready, click Go to Project. Your new project opens with the structure Asana created from your prompt. This is your starting point. Skim the sections, rename anything that needs your team's terminology, and remove tasks that aren't relevant. From here, you can assign owners, set due dates, and add custom fields. Think priority, status, or effort, so your team knows exactly what to do next. If you plan to repeat this workflow, consider duplicating the finished project later as a template for future use. That's it. With Asana AI quick tips and a clear prompt, you can go from idea to organized project in minutes. Thanks for watching and happy building.